To close a Morgan Stanley e-signature process, follow these steps. First, ensure you have received an email from Morgan Stanley with a link to the e-signature document. This email will contain a unique link that allows you to access the document. Next, click on the link provided in the email to access the e-signature platform. You will be redirected to a secure website where you can view and sign the document. Upon accessing the document, review it carefully to ensure all information is accurate and complete. If you need to make any changes, contact your Morgan Stanley representative for assistance. Once you have reviewed the document, click on the Sign button to proceed with the e-signature process. You will be prompted to create a signature or use a previously created one. After signing the document, you will receive a confirmation email from Morgan Stanley indicating that the e-signature process has been completed successfully. It is essential to keep a record of the confirmation email and the signed document for your records. If you encounter any issues during the e-signature process, contact your Morgan Stanley representative for assistance. Best practices for closing a Morgan Stanley e-signature process include ensuring you have a stable internet connection, using a supported browser, and keeping your contact information up to date with Morgan Stanley. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently close a Morgan Stanley e-signature process and complete your transaction. Remember to always review documents carefully before signing and to seek assistance if you need it.